everyone, welcome to Cortex Telemedicine. So today we'll be doing a quick walkthrough of the functional deliverables of a couple of sprints we did. So this is a combined review of two sprints. The reason for this is like the work which has been done was actually quite big, and it needed two sprints to finish that. So for that, let's get started quickly, and let me show you what we have for you guys in this as a new release. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm signing up as an admin here to just show you what we have done. So this particular feature is majorly about the recording the consultation calls, right? So let's say a doctor and the patient having a consultation call, the call gets recorded. Now, this can be like a setting from admin panel where admin can turn on, turn off the recording, whether what is there, and based on the setting, it's a universal settings which gets applied to all the accounts in that particular instance. And so let me show you and walk you through that. So I'm just going and logging myself as admin here, and let's go here, and if I go to settings, you see here consultation recording and emergency call recording. So we have two types of call. We have a consultation call, and then we have emergency call. So particularly for DOF Online, we don't have emergency calls, so it won't be there. But like for Telemed instance and other customers will be having, if they have the help call button on, right? So you can enable, disable what you want. So let's say I have disabled both the recordings here, consultation recordings, uh, and we can disable same for emergency, right? So it's up to you, like how do you want to set. And just do remember, like this settings gets applied to all the accounts in your instance, right? So all right, so this is on the admin side. Now um, let me log out here, and let me quickly show you. If I log in as an billing admin, or probably telemed admin or billing admin, we call it as client admin as well. I can here, so okay, all right. So here you can go to consultation recording. So an admin, or probably a billing admin, has an access, or by default if the calls are recorded, they have access to view all the calls here. So this can be for any purpose, right? It can be for audit purpose, or it can be like an admin, service provider admin wants to have an eye in case of any legal, in case of any legalities or anything like that. So we just want to have access to all the recordings, right? So you can go there and see, okay, this is a consultation between the Cortex doctor and the patient called Adam Smith, and they did like seven consultations in step, and you have a recording. So you can just play here. So it's an in-app, in browser players, so you just click on it and it will play for it. So this is just a sample, so don't worry about it, but this is how the recording will look like. All right, let me show you here. uh, all right, so this is probably we don't have anything here, but this is how so an admin can play the recordings. Now if we go back to Dr. Victor, okay, let's see. Okay, so see here. All right, so let's log in as a doctor now and show you how the recording looks like on doctor side. And just to give you a kind of note, like the recording is accessible by the doctor, by the patient, and the admin, and recording is unique per consultation. So let's say if I'm a patient and there is a doctor and we had a consultation, so the recording for that particular consultation is only accessible via that particular consultation. All right, so I'm just logging as a doctor here just to show you. uh, all right, so here I'm Victor. Where's my Adam? Patient Adam Smith. Oops, it's not here. Alright, so let's go to consult. Alright, so if there is no recording, you can see there is none here. But let's say if you want to go and visit any particular recording, you just go to the consulted record, go here and go to the recording section, and you will have a recording. So you see there is a recording here, and I play this, so doctor can play this recording like this. All right. So, all right. And the same thing is for the patient. So you log in as a patient. So let me log in as a patient. I won't be having any recording here, but just to show you how it looks like. So I can go to any appointments. It's all are active. Is there anyone completed? Yeah. Uh, so this is completed. Okay, so here you have recording, and you can figure out if there is a recording here, it will have the attachment for the recording. All right, so this way a patient, a doctor, and an admin or a billing admin has access to the recordings. So this is what the major work we did. Apart from that, we did some backend stuff like code cleanup, performance bugs, and all this kind of stuff, which are not worthwhile explaining this, but this is what we have to you. And just to note, you mentioned like when a call gets started, or let's say doctor calls a patient and the recording gets started. So you will see something called recording in progress. All right. And once the call is finished or doctor completes the consultation, it takes a while. It may take up like from 30 minutes or so to stream the recording up and upload it to our servers and play back into the doctors and patient modules. It may take up some time, and time can be like from 30 minutes to an hour or so, depending on the size of video. All right, so you might need to have a kind of a delay there, like post consultation, an hour delay, and then the recordings is available to you. That's it from my side for this particular release, sprint release. We'll get back to you in the next sprint with more exciting features lined up. Thank you.